In this tutorial, we'll learn about the pre-built content delivered by Oracle Fusion SCM Analytics. Pre-built dashboards help users access trusted business metrics and then drill into more detailed analysis without building a workbook from scratch. In this scenario, I need to review supply chain performance. I will use the overview dashboards and then drill into a detailed dashboard for deeper analysis and filtering. I'll begin on the home page and then select the navigator, then catalog. Under shared folders, I'll select the Oracle folder, then Fusion SCM, where I'll find the pre-built Fusion SCM detailed and overview dashboards delivered by Oracle. I'll expand the overview dashboards. Overview dashboards summarize multiple business metrics in one place. This folder contains overview dashboards for sales order fulfillment, order management, and inventory valuations. I'll open sales order fulfillment, which helps me review high-level metrics and performance like sales, open and past orders, and on-time shipment percentages. The dashboard filters let me quickly adjust the view of the data. I can use this to monitor performance, spot exceptions, then decide whether I need to drill into a related, detailed dashboard or follow up with the teams responsible for fulfillment execution. I'll return to the Fusion SCM folder and open the Detailed Dashboards folder to get more in-depth analyses. Detailed dashboards typically contain more in-depth analyses, along with filters focused on a specific topic. Here I see additional folders including cost management and order management. I'll expand cost management and then open the Inventory Valuation Analysis dashboard. This dashboard shows charts on inventory values that can be narrowed down using the dashboard filters. And in the Details canvas, I can see a comprehensive view of the data. I can open the Content Explorer workbook for more information about the delivered SCM content, like subject areas, key metrics, and pre-built workbooks. It helps me browse what's available, understand what each dashboard or workbook is intended to answer, and jump directly to the content I need. With the delivered overview and detailed dashboards, I can choose the right starting point, monitor key metrics and performance, and then build custom analyses as needed. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Fusion SCM Analytics in the links below.